Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create and sell blog templates 2025 beginners guide. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's get into it. How can you actually go about selling a blog template and creating and selling a blog template? It's quite easy actually. All you need to do is open up your browser. So open up your browser, and we're going to be taking inspiration for creating our templates from Canva. So make sure you have an account on Canva, and you're going to need to know where you're going to be selling your templates on. So you want to make money online by selling digital products. Blog templates are in demand in 2025. People want ready-made designs for WordPress, Blogger, and other platforms. So in this guide, I'll be showing you how you can actually create that kind of package. I'm going to be making use of Canva as opposed to using WordPress or Blogger to kind of like create these templates. So you can pick your platform where you want to launch your blogs or your blog templates. WordPress, the most popular, which actually supports Elementor, Gutenberg, and Cadence. We have Blogger, which is simple HTML and CSS templates. And then we can focus on one platform first. So I'll just be creating a blog template for WordPress using Canva. That's what I'm going to be doing. And then so let's get into it. Remember, you're going to need a Canva account. So getting a Canva account is actually essential to this. And once you're here, once you're on the home page of Canva, you're met with what will you design today. We have your designs, we have Canva AI, and we have templates. So I'm just going to basically ask it for blog templates. So it should show me some blog templates. You can use the blog website template. So let's click on this option and see what Canva generates for us. So we have something of this sort. We have this here. We have visit our website. This is a premium Canva Pro premium template. So how to create a SEO friendly blog? No. We could go with any of these. This is a bit more attractive because of the great background. So I'm going to be going with this particular design. Now click on customize this template. So you can create your own template using WordPress when you use Elementor or Candice for the drag and drop building. You can, when it comes to Blogger, you can use custom HTML or CSS in Code Editor. For Notion, you can design a layout using Notion blocks, then duplicate it as a template, and just try to keep the design clean, responsive, that's mobile friendly, and optimized for SEO. So yeah. But I'll be using Canva for this particular template. Okay, so once the Canva template opens, you can add sections to it, but we're just going to be keeping it simple. So basically, this is what your blog template should look like. Now, the blog I'm talking about is a blog that you can sell this template on Gumroad, Shopify, Etsy. The blog templates for WordPress and the rest can be created using coding. So you're going to have to actually code this blog post or templates. All right, so we're going to be making use of Canva as I stated earlier. So all you need to do now to turn this into your design is just go ahead and highlight this. Let's see the background color. I don't know if we can edit the background color into a dark gray. Okay, it doesn't look good at all. So let's hold off on that. Some designs can't be customized as you would want them to. You can only move some certain elements around. As you can see here, this is what this element looks like. It works in this manner. All you need to do is just edit these out and it's become your blog post. Now let's head over to Canva Home. You can simply create your own Canva design if you click on the create option. And from the create, just head over to custom size, and where we have width, you can put it at maybe 1200. You can use 1200 by 2000. And once you've entered your desired width and height, just go ahead and click on create new design. All right, guys. So while Canva is working on that, I did want to mention a few things. So you're going to have to save your file as a shareable file. So let's say this is what we want to share as our blog template. All you need to do here is just go ahead and click on, okay, you could publish as a website, but we're not doing that. Just click on share. And now go ahead and click on download. So when you're downloading this, you can save it as a PDF, or you could copy the link to your template and sell the link instead. So you can either sell it as a direct PDF, or you could sell it as a link, to the template. While the Canva is opening up that file, I do have to mention that one of the best platforms you could try selling on is Gumroad. As with Gumroad, all you need to do is head over to the products menu after you've created an account. You can follow our previous tutorials on this. All you need to do is just go ahead and create a Gumroad account and head over to the products section. On the products menu, you can simply create and or add the PDF or the link and simply sell it. So it's a really simple process. As I said earlier, it's a simple process. Just click on new product here at the top right corner, and then you can add a price. You can give a description of what it is. You can just help people out so they know what they're actually paying good money for, by giving them simple information on what they are trying to kind of like pay for. So just head over to Gumroad, where we have digital products. Is it a course? Is it a tutorial? Is it a bundle? I guess it's a digital product, or you could make it an ebook. Any of these options, they're basically the same thing, but I'll just keep it a digital product and then produce a name for it. So you could just call it and then click on next. But don't forget to give it a price. So anything from $10 is okay for a blog post that you got from Canva. And yeah, so you could simply sell it on Gumroad using their platform, as it's a direct sale. So it's a blog template. You can just describe what it is. And then where we have content, so head over to the content menu. This is where you're going to be posting that link or inserting the PDF. All right, guys, so that's how you can simply go about this. And then all you need to do is click on publish and continue and simply share the link. So you can simply share the link you get. I think I can find the link here. If you head into products, yes, the link would be here. You can now customize it into blog temp. And then this is going to be part of the URL, and you can simply share this and people would pay good money to buy your template. All right, guys, so that's how you can go about creating a template. Creating a template is as good as just customizing someone else's template. It is advisable, though, if you're going to be creating your own template, you should take inspiration from others. Like this blog post we have over here. This is a good inspiration for a template you can create and simply sell. Also, don't forget to pay for advertisements for your services, like the templates. Don't forget to pay for advertisement for it. All right, guys, so comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.